Andrew kitty or get eaten by crooks?
Boy, I would rather kitty, Roma raisin. But when they call him, Shy Boy was the one.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with
Jason
Razablade from Razablade TV, Razablade TV Vlogs, and Razablade Family. So we will be doing a pick your poison challenge. It's a challenge, right? So it's a pick your poison challenge, and you guys sent in some questions over Instagram. Guys, follow me on Instagram, it's important. So whatever I post over there, if I don't post on YouTube, I normally post on Instagram just to give an update. And if I'm gonna do challenges, I ask for questions over Instagram. So follow me on Instagram. Gonna put my Instagram name on the screen, and I'm also gonna leave the link. I'm also gonna leave the link in my description box. So let's get into this video. Wait, before we go into the video, babe, don't come up with the questions. You guys came out, even though this savage for me over Jason channel, but you guys came up with the questions. Some of them I really had to just ignore. They were wild, but let's get into this video.
Ready for everything.
Alright. Eat Andrew kitty or get eaten by crooks?
Okay, dog. They never start so strong. Boy. Probably if you crooks them bite, we never did same time. Boy, I would rather kitty. But I rather kitty. Nah, I make it close.
No, we never asked that. What did I rather do?
Kitty. Okay, come kitty. Come kitty. And I say I can't.
Eat Andrew oh my god. Kira asks, give a complete stranger oral S or give you oral in public?
Or no, sir. When they call him, Shy Boy was the one they would do it and act like they don't do it. My master, man, it's stranger and I private, you know. They question are spicy, then come out from me wicked. Go on again. I would afraid of nothing.
Watch your mom slowly die or kill Andrew?
Why? They never say, oh, I'm going to watch mommy die. Suppose mommy just dip on the hospital bed or death bed take her last breath.
Answer the question.
You see me? If I can't do nothing about my mother living, but I want for their own her last moments. Then.
Alright. Leak a dick pic or leak a S-video tape of you guys. So, of us.
But I rather leak mood.
Okay.
I don't want me leak a video with me and you. You can't manage them pressure.
Alright. Cut your tongue out or cut out Andrew's tongue?
Why baby not no mouth? Here you.
Okay.
Same time baby, you're mad.
Alright, so roll down a hill naked or ski naked?
You know so I always want to do that skiing thing there. But that ski naked. I feel like I want to live my life happy and carefree. You see me?
Alright. Pull out your teeth one by one or pull out Andrew fingernails one by one?
Pull out Andrew fingernail one by one.
Why everything? Jump off a plane without parachute or let Andrew give you the big A?
Boy baby, I jump out of that plane there. You might land in the water.
Alright. So watch Miss Desiree, watch Miss White or Miss Desiree twerking in a town for 30 minutes.
Twerking?
Yeah.
Watch any one of them?
Yeah, Miss Desiree or...
No, we can't watch none of them do that.
You have to pick an answer.
No, but I rather watch Miss Desiree come and now watch my mother. People you want me to do. Yo, the grime is still, you know? Yo! What kind of wickedness this me call up for myself? Then I someone on this day.
Never talk to Andrew again or never talk to Max again.
Rather than talk to Andrew again.
Okay.
I have to talk to my brother. That's not a good style.
Eat from the toilet or save my girlfriend life.
Save my woman life.
Okay.
Which toilet? I use this one that get so far. Everything is hard.
Probably shouldn't state it good, that's why it's not hard.
Well, luckily for them.
Alright, so the person say, if he would jump out a moving plane that is 42,000 feet in the air without a parachute or allow 20 COVID infected drunk crows to peck at his skin or go on the moon surface. Too much. It's only two.
Let me ask a question to that person. Please comment below. When they say 20 COVID infected drunk crows, animal can't catch COVID, so people can't catch drunk crow. I always say, go on the moon.
He said what he said. What if the drunk crow them did have it?
Lady, go on the moon, go do what?
Without helmet or suit.
When I make a COVID drunk crow them pick because on the moon, without helmet, the gases on the moon are kill you. Jumping out of the plane, make a dead without a parachute. I make the COVID person then. Better me sit down then.
Alright. Eat the kitty or make your mother dead.
Boy, I'm going to live a long life now still, you know. My mother 50 something, nearly 60 years, so you know. You know what I'm going Left that alone. R.I.P. Moe.
Okay. Eat the vajayjay or watch.
You see them women there were coming, not on the freak, and no man eat some of those one man for eat.
Almost all of them.
Everything they turn on and stigmatize in the brain.
So eat the vajayjay or watch Angel have S with someone you know.
Sit down and watch like a movie and S with somebody else.
Okay. Watch Angel have amazing S with someone else or never have S with her again.
If me never have S again, might as well go there with somebody else. So me I go be smart for both of it. Go and go do it with somebody else.
Okay.
Because if me and I go do it again, it makes sense.
Alright.
Go have fun.
Living with Ia for the rest of your life and cannot have S with her or going out there to have S with someone else.
Who about it? You?
You.
Live with you and can't do it and go to love it. Let me not go box somebody else, bubble man.
So you would live with me and not have S?
Yeah, man. But I send me an email when you want to see me, man.
Oral S on ear or make someone else do it?
Why? Everybody know the answer. Alright, so make somebody else do it.
Clean up Angel poo
Jesus Christ.
for her or she date your brother.
Clean up your poo.
Yeah. Clean it up on a regular day.
On a regular, oh, me just say on a regular basis, me I say, what? Well, it could have been say, you left marks in the toilet, so me clean up your poo.
Alright. Remove your private area or die.
As my Max say,
Okay.
you can't live without that. Me telling you.
Alright. Have S with your Stay in a very toxic relationship or repeat 2020.
I repeat 2020 for a lot of reasons. 2020 was my best year.
Alright, make out with a man or allow Ia to die.
You enjoy your dead coming and kiss no man.
Alright. Not being able to have an orgasm or losing a hand.
But can't feel good. Boy, I always say I want to go to my eternal sleep with all limbs intact, you know, so I can't have the orgasm.
Okay. Give a stranger head or losing your vision for 10 years.
Backside. You know, so all of them people are mind just head. It can't be food or nothing. Man, stranger, look out for me. Look out for me, because everybody's supposed to know it's
yeah, and I could send them up front.
Me answer it.
No.
You know, everybody knows that I always tell people say me don't want to lose my vision. My vision is most important. So guess what? Stranger, come with me to you there like a Roman raisin.
So you bypass me and I know you're going to do it.
Me don't want to blind my girl.
Okay.
Oh.
Bite your tongue every time you eat or fall every time you walk.
But I rather fall because biting the tongue I want hot.
Wearing your head bald for the rest of your life or walking outside
Please say naked.
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 Live until you're 50 in good health and wealth or live until you're 100 in hardship.
50.
Whoa. Watch Ia have sex with another man or watch Lovell and her husband do it.
I rather say Angel do it. I can't watch my sister do them thing there.
Where they get the question them from though?
But see no mindset still. I not right.
Whoa. Crybaby or arrogant person?
Arrogant person. Can't take your ball in.
Rather give Andrew oral or allow another man to give it.
Enough man what they supposed to want to here, so Roman raising their self.
Save Andrew with $1 million or save Rolly with 10 cents and let Andrew die.
I mean, I have to go save with the money, babe.
Die in Snake on a plane or in Titanic.
Here why I go dead in a Titanic now. Me hate show with animal eat people. I find it very lame. I find every show with animal eat people lame. Plus, in a Titanic, the boy and the girl they did a boy with beer things before the ship sinks. So guess what?
Wow.
Why you sitting down there and go to grave, man?
No teeth for the rest of your life or dead private area for the rest of your life. No teeth.
No, you man.
Give up YouTube to marry Andra and live a normal life or do YouTube with millions and give up Andra.
Nah, tell a lie still. Enough time you hear that question they come to me, but I nah give up YouTube, but I nah give up Angel. So.
Nope. Choose
nah,
one.
yo.
Pick your poison.
A YouTube changed my whole life in a people.
So you're choosing YouTube.
I nah give my wife, you mad.
Pick your poison.
I nah give my wife.
Pick your poison.
I nah give YouTube still. YouTube,
Pick your poison.
YouTube and my wife too.
Pick your poison.
Why? If me give up YouTube, would I have to have something else I do with my life? That's the only
That's
way.
not the question.
But that's what I tell you.
No, I don't want to hear the explanation. Pick your poison. You gonna give me up or you gonna give up YouTube?
Boy, if I never do YouTube, I probably dead and gone in the car, but I in some place I do some wicked things, you know, so.
Babe.
YouTube.
You gonna give up YouTube?
I give up you. I give up you. Tube.
Eat barbecue junk or let Andra die.
Oh, somebody must. Barbecue with Janko. You know, but you just expect my one to be like this though. I have my reasons, but barbecue with Janko. Oh, that even barbecue with Janko. I'm not making it, babe.
Drive for the rest of your life or be without Andra for the rest of your life.
Drive.
Okay. Cut off the relationship with Rolly or break up with Andra.
Really, we done.
Okay.
Now I give up putus to nobody.
Eat Andra fruit or let Andra die.
When me hold me can't taste out your fruit, babe.
Answer the question.
It cure like wine.
Answer the question.
Then maybe you see alone why that flavor ice cream them have. Sweet. No wing get dirty after me.
Would you rather your future son, would you rather give your future son the same name as my ex, right? Or have your future son call you the same name as my ex instead of dad?
Yeah, you're mad, man. Yo, you might figure, you might go name your ex name.
Okay.
You can't call me no
So
boy.
you're gonna call him that ex name then?
Yeah, that's how you go.
Alright. It's a cute name.
Yo, what the backside?
Guys, if I'm missing a question, I kind of mix up the question and I am so sorry. Alright, watch a man have sex with me or make a man kiss you.
No, remember you get that question. Number one, and kiss me.
That was the last question.
Oh my God, thank you, Jesus.
Alright guys, so here was. When I got the questions, I start to screenshot some of them and then I miss some of them. So everything kind of like mix up. And then I didn't ask all of the questions because like one person asked like 6 questions and out of 2 alone can ask. Not saying we did I try to run from none of the question them, but some of them just really wild.
Some people ask the question them so where they couldn't get featured. So you see?
Yeah. But I still appreciate all the questions, but boy, come on man. If you didn't hear your question, guys, I'm so sorry. As I said, mix up, but I tried my best. So, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Road to 100k. I love you guys.
Yeah, try to cheat me.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.